Hello everyone, welcome back to the Dork Side. It is I, your friendly neighborhood dork, in my very messy garage, so you'll have to excuse it. And I just wanted to make a quick video to say, hey, what's up? Apologize for not getting a Monday video up this week, show you one new piece of gear, and open this mysterious envelope from a subscriber. That was a question mark sound at the end. That's right, everyone. I'm the Dork on the Road, and I want to be your internet riding buddy. But I'm better than your regular riding buddies because I'm available whenever you want, and I come with a mute button, so please consider subscribing if you like what you see, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you know when I post awesome new content just like this. So if you remember from the rainy day ride video, I got very angry when this is like a scuba case for my GoPro Hero 7 failed me, and it failed me by fogging up when I went to change the batteries. I did drill a hole in the side for the mic adapter cable because I had to, but it just didn't do the job like I wanted it to. Like my old, like my waterproof case for my GoPro Hero 4 never had that problem. The Hero 7 runs a lot hotter because of the stabilization and the chip and all that. So I was frustrated because I need a waterproof solution for riding in the rain, for dual sport riding, but I also have to use the mic adapter plugged into the side. I would show you all this if I weren't filming on my GoPro right now. In order to have sound. So I couldn't figure out how to do that. And I got a message from Hippo Drones, who is a fellow moto vlogger out of the UK. And if you haven't followed his channel or checked him out, you definitely should. He does a lot of awesome track day stuff. He's doing some dual sport stuff. And he's just a really big supporter of the motovlogging community. He's really active at motovlog.com. He's one of the mods there. So this guy he epitomizes what's great about the motovlogging community. He's just a really community-minded fellow. So shout out to Hippo Drones. Go check out his channel if you haven't. I'll put a link in the description. But he sent me a message. It was a comment actually, and said, bro, I just used this silicone cover for my GoPro Hero 7 in the rain in the UK. It's no problem. And I was like, what? I'm an idiot. So I ordered one. And again, I would show it to you on the GoPro, but I can't because I'm using the GoPro. But anyway, I slapped this bad boy on there. So my plan is, I'm just going to cut a small hole right here, really just a slit probably, to slide the mic adapter cable through, right through there. And then it should be watertight enough. I'm not going to submerge it. It's just to keep rain out for me to be able to use it in the rain, but also the heat sink, which is in this area on the GoPro Hero 7, will be exposed to the air so it cannot fog up. So I'm excited to give that a shot. I haven't given it a shot yet. I haven't been out riding in the rain because the CRF is actually in the shop. I made the decision to take it to the shop and get the clutch replaced because a local shop I called around and they were going to do it not super expensive. And so I figured for the extra money they were charging, which wasn't a ton, overdoing it myself. This way I know it's done by a shop. I will let you know how that turns out. I'm not going to give them a shout out one way or the other at this moment, but it is taking them a while. So I'm leaning towards, I'm not going to put them on blast, obviously, especially if the work is good, but I'm not going to like go out of my way to promote them either if it takes them twice as long as they said to get my bike fixed. So, but it'll be fixed and I'm excited about that. Well, I'm hoping to get back into the woods very soon. So that's this thing. And these are like $7. I'll leave a link to it in the description if I remember. But one other thing that I wanted to do as we check in today, and that is open this package, which came from a subscriber. So if you remember in last week's videos, I just mentioned that I wanted some stickers to put on my lockers that are in the background over there. And if anybody wanted to send me one, a sticker for the YouTube channel or whatever, and they wanted it to appear, get free advertising, I guess, in the background of future videos, then we would do that. But I'm going to go a step further with this one, and we're going to open this package together. And I'll read the letter that came with it, because it's pretty cool. So here is the envelope, all the way from Washington. There's a letter first. I'll read you the letter, and then I'll show you what's inside. This is from Pete, who has he goes by Solisman ADV, yeah. Dork on the Road. Love your moniker, by the way, and the title was Super Nintendo Excite Bike reference. Super is not capitalized, so he's saying it's a super reference, not Super Nintendo, because we all know that the Excite Bike was on the NES, right? I'm trying to decide whether to motovlog or not. I really enjoy the laid-back channel you were putting out there. Thank you. I try to be myself and laid back as much as possible. Here are 2 stickers of my spirit animal, a branded beer. I've enjoyed beers for most of my life, Branded beers have been much better than generic ones. I'm now in the same boat as you. I need to lose weight, so I must put my spirit animal out to pasture and enjoy less of my beer, especially branded beers. Yeah, I have, as part of my weight loss journey, I have not had, well, other than a couple of cheat days, I haven't drank beer all year. It's, you'll notice I've been drinking a lot of bourbon. I have not been drinking beer. And it's worked so far. That's not the only thing I'm doing, obviously, but yeah. I miss beer. So please present my beers proudly, and I would look forward to a nice fire road ride with you in the future. Maybe at some point you could come up to the North Central Washington, and I could show you around, and I can come down and show Duck Fan what a crusty old beaver can do on an XR400. Pete is also an Oregon State University graduate, so we're both beavers. Go Beavs. So that's the letter, okay? And inside the envelope, there's not one but two awesome stickers. So we've got the smaller version. It's a beer, get it? You got it. It's a deer and a bear. Beer. Yeah, I love it. Okay. And then there's, oh, a big one. A big one. So I think I'm going to put this big boy on the locker. I know just the place. So let's walk over to the lockers. Take you with me. We're going on a trip in a super rocket ship. I don't know the words. I don't have the big light out here because I wasn't planning on shooting a long video. But this is good enough to see. Let's put this sticker on the locker. What do you think? Right here underneath the icon sticker? Or here. There's a little bit of a dearth of stickers on this one, but this is Lil Dork's locker, so I want to let her decorate it however she wants. I'm going to go with right here under icon. So thanks, Pete. I really appreciate this. I'm stoked to be adding it to the locker. Here we go, right here in the spot. I'm just going to go over the icon sticker a little. That's okay. I actually like the antlers over the icon. That's pretty cool. There it is. There you go. Right over the antlers, forever branded, a part of my locker. So thanks, Pete. Appreciate it. Anybody else wants to add their sticker to my locker? I'd be stoked to put it on there. I gotta do is send me an email at dorkandtheroadappears@gmail.com or a message on Facebook or Instagram, and I will get you the address to send it if you want. No pressure, no obligation. But it's cool to think that that my subscribers, our YouTube family, will have contributed to this. So it's pretty awesome. All right, guys, we'll see you soon. Thanks, as always, for tuning in. And please don't forget to be excellent to each other. Thank you.
Excellent!